Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, links will be in the description. In part 2, I showed you what's behind the blocks, ground, and went for a jog. Welcome to part 3. It's like a mini campus tour. Let's get started. This is Academic Block, one of the most beautiful buildings you'll ever see.
This is the first time ever someone blocked the college or P1 and P2 block. So when someone joins, they will be allotted this block. So there will be no name of the scientist or someone. It's just Academic Block 1. It used to be A4, but it's Academic Block 1. Let me show you my automobile lab there. I don't think so it will be opened, but let's give it a try. So here is an auto. This is not I'm excited for. This is an automobile club. Let's fix that later.
This is our electric auto. It's here for modifications. We removed the top part and other external unnecessary parts for modification. It's an electric auto. I rode it in 2019 for the last time. Later, Corona times, etc. etc. Rgukt, name of the team who built this car. I'm a part of it too. Still, some people are missing in the photo, a total of 34 people. That will be an amazing story. I will share with you one day. So stay tuned for it, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. We removed the engine for making modifications to this vehicle. We cannot ride it now. I am in the driver's seat. Another seat is for navigator. This is for holding while the vehicle is on the move. Emergency stop.
And this lab contains the 3D printer and some other robotic stuff. When we used to work for this automobile club and building this one, we used to stay here too. So we get to know a lot of things about what's inside. And this one you see is the chassis for that top cover of the auto, and this one is single-seater ATV. That one is double-seater ATV. And the first double-seater ATV we built was that one lying there. I thought of recording these vlogs for another vlog to shoot it more beautifully with the team.
This is how Academic Blocks looks from inside. Have a look from top of this building.
This one right here is a CSE block, CSE ECE block. This academic block. The academic block thing is confusing, man. Academic block 2, A3 previously. So let's go for our block. It's A2 right over there. A2, I mean, it's now A1. A1? This is A1. That's confusing. A3, whatever it is, we'll still call it 2. And the main gate entrance, you see. And Many people play cricket here. That's food court, and this is library, and that one I showed you from behind, it's the lab. There's nothing much to shoot there. So we are going to see the library, not from inside, just from outside. I will shoot how every building looks from inside in a single video. So stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. The sun is hitting the golden tint. And this one is a lab right here, and that one is workshop.
That's I3, looking beautiful in this morning sunlight.
Let's get back to the main track, our messes and our blocks. And it's 7:37. I need to go back to room, brush up, and think of going to college or not. Sun is beautiful, man.
Toppers are going to college. This is food court, high prices, low quality and quantity. This is 3311 kV substation. These housekeeping staff work all day to keep the campus clean. Respect. These are messes. DH2, this is DH3, KMK mess. That's the campus hospital. These buildings are faculty quarters. These are entries for DH3 and DH6. This area used to be messy. NSS people cleaned it up and planted some trees before Corona. This way leads us to bank, ATM, yogasala, girls hostels, post office, police station and a lot. This is DH4, dining hall 4. Boys hostels are on the left, faculty quarters on the right. I told you about the K2 ground, let's go. This is a old hostel I2. When someone joins in PUC, they will be allotted this block.
This is a mini ground, football, volleyball court. And there is the main ground and the SAC building. This is the director residence. No, that one is director residence, some guest house and faculty quarters.
Way to yogashala, bank, etc. This is K2 ground. K2, K3, K4 girls hostel, SAC building.
So let me show you how it looks. The bank, post office and shopping complex. It used to be, but it's not a shopping complex now. And yoga hall, the beautiful structure.
ATM, SBI bank. I guess they are renovating it. In this block you can see police station, post office, yogashala, shopping complex. These are faculty quarters I showed you before. This will leads to messes and boys' hostels. That's the campus hospital from behind. DH4 right there. I2 boys hostel. DH5 Marvel mess. Firewood for cooking. Mostly they will use gas. These days DH5 is using firewood. This is like a plus junction. This way leads to the back. This to college. And this one to our hostel I1. And this to I2 messes, shopping complex, etc. I1 and I2 parallel to each other. I like this view. Parallel building getting narrower, etc. etc. I2 hostel from back side. This is clothes washing area. Some more faculty quarters. Director residence, way to sewage treatment plant, faculty quarters, children park, helping hands grocery store for faculty. This is faculty ground, children park for faculty kids. They clean the premises every single day. Backside of I1. Rooms, corridors. I1 from inside. Basketball ground. Let's go to the terrace. The terrace. Everything looks amazing from here.
Some things never change, like one who is taking out water from the tank with buckets. It's an old tradition. When we don't have water in the pipes, that's a life hack. So some will wash clothes on the top. And there's one more thing I need to show you. How can I forget it?
Solar plant. There used to be a lot of mango trees here. They cut down everything. I don't know how much electricity it generates, but the panels are motorized, which will change the direction according to the sun for maximum yielding of the power. Academic blocks there. Here is the lift control room, but no lift in the block. Hostel. That's I3 administration block. Let's go back to the room, the clock is ticking. Dirty corridors, they will clean soon.
It's open. These guys are still sleeping. Pupun!
Good morning.
Good morning.
Friends.
11,210 feet. That's great. And that's pretty much for this vlog. I'm tired and dirty. Let's go for a shower. Meet you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Infinity Explorer. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe to it by hitting the red rectangular bar.
Hit the red button, bro. Hit the red button.
Excited, bros. So, meet you in the next one. Until then, keep watching Infinity Explorer.